Want the details on the latest Meta news? This year, 2023, Meta has had an impact on 21,000 jobs. Today, we bring you the shocking news that Meta, formerly known as Facebook, is laying off a staggering 21,000 employees worldwide. This news has sent shockwaves through the tech industry and left thousands of people uncertain about their future. Reports suggest that these layoffs are a result of Meta's strategic realignment and a shift towards new technologies. But that doesn't ease the pain for those who are now facing unemployment. These employees dedicated their time and skills to the company, only to be left hanging. From engineers to marketing professionals, content moderators, and beyond, the ripple effect of these layoffs will be felt far and wide. Individuals who have built their careers at Meta are now left to pick up the pieces and search for new opportunities in a fiercely competitive job market. But amidst the turmoil, we must remember that these are not just numbers. Each job loss represents a person with dreams, aspirations, and families to support. It's a stark reminder of the human cost that often gets overlooked in corporate decisions, technology shifts, and technological advancements. As we process this news, we must have empathy and support for those affected. If you work in or own a tech-related company, don't forget to look for those that have a background in the field that may be looking for employment soon. Thank you for watching. Remember to subscribe to our channel for more updates on industry news and business education.